take the error of not updating your skills, the general public have the power to supply some quite service or product online. If someone is trying to find what you are doing and it's something they can't do or don't have the time for, they're going to pay you to try and do it. But you don't want to place all of your eggs in one basket. Demand for skills change, and that's why it's necessary to form sure you'll be able to offer multiple sets of skills. For this, you would like to stay updating your skills. Even after you outsource services to clients, you would like to own knowledge of the fundamentals of whatever you're offering. You never know if an outsourcer fails to finish a task or does it incorrectly. You will not have the time to own and correct it because of deadline pressures. It's during these times that knowing about what you're offering can facilitate you to step in and finish the task. You would like to avoid missing deadlines the maximum amount as possible. That's a difficult situation to reverse. Of course, having dependable resources within the first place will limit this example from arising. When considering outsources, have them do some jobs that are exclusively for you, within the beginning, to work out how they perform. Again, having a grasp on the fundamentals of the task they perform will facilitate your evaluate their skills. Once you're confident of their abilities, you'll be able to use those resources to perform work for your clients. For the foremost part, the web has made it quite easy for people to stay their skills up to date and learn new ones. There are lots of websites dedicated to learning. Some have specific subjects while others are general purpose. You will procure some courses, but you'll be ready to find lots of them at no cost. YouTube is one place to see if you'll be able to get past the advertising and offers. Another free place that expands frequently is Khan Academy. After you feel comfortable together with your new skill sets, you'll be able to offer them as standalone services, otherwise, you can use them for add-ons. If you have already got an existing client base, simply allow them to know that you just can perform these extra services once they need them. Also, ask them if they know of anyone who could also be trying to find such services. You have already got proven yourself to your clients so that they don't have any problem recommending colleagues. These forms of referrals are your best sources for brand new jobs. This channel seeks to satisfy its subscribers with everything that is beautiful and unique. It also aims to publish important content in form and content. Also a channel that loves creativity. Don't forget to support me for the video and subscribe to the channel for the first time. You are here because you are sure to honor me, and activate the alerts button until you get notified of any new video the first thing that happens and be the first to see it.